Hello, today I'm sharing Turkish coffee spice mix and syrup. In a bowl, combine 1/3 cup of cardamom, 2 tablespoons cinnamon, 1 tablespoon nutmeg, 1½ teaspoons of ground cloves, and 1½ teaspoons ground ginger. Mix until everything is combined. Store the spice mix in an airtight container until ready to use. To use the spice mix, add a pinch to your freshly brewed coffee before serving. You could also make a coffee syrup by combining equal parts water and sugar in a pot on the stove, simmering for 10 minutes, cooling, then storing in a syrup bottle. Keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 weeks. To use it, add a few spoonfuls to your coffee along with creamer of your choice, and enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to stay up to date on my cooking adventures. Thanks for watching. See you next time.